These are the assembly instructions for the 2-tier Spice Rack Slide-Out Wire Basket Drawer Organizer. Step 1. Mounting the base. Pull apart Part A and use 4 Part F components to mount it into position. Steps 2 and 3. Top Shelf Assembly. Locate the corresponding holes on both sides of Part B and insert 2 Part C components into each of them. Next, insert each of the 4 Part E components separately. Step 4. Full Frame Assembly. Insert the previously assembled top shelf downward into the already mounted Part A. After assembly, insert 4 Part E components separately. Place the wooden boards to complete the assembly.